Hello everyone. In this video we will do chapter number 14 factorization exercise 14.1. Question number 1 is find the common factor of the given terms. The very first part is 12x comma 36. Here we are to find out the common factor of 12x and 36. Now we will just write down the prime factors of 12x and 36. 12 can be written as 2 multiplied 3 multiplied by x. These are the factors of 12x. Similarly, we will write down the factors of 36, which is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now the common factors of is equal to 2, 2, 3. So it is 2 multiply 3 which is equal to 12. As we know that 12 3 is the 36, so 12 is the common factor. Second part 2y 22xy. Now the factors of 2y can be written as 2 multiply y and 22xy can be written as 2 multiply 11 multiply x multiply y. Now see the common factors. Common factors is equal to 2 is common and one variable y is common. So here the common factor is 2y. Next is 14pq 28p square q square. Now as we know that 28 is the multiple of 14, so directly we can write the common factor as 14, and here the variables, this is pq and this is p square q square. So without doing the prime factorization we can directly write the common factor as we know that 14 2 is the 28, so 14 is the common factor. Here p q, this is p square q square, so p and q will be the common factor. So it is not necessary to write down the common factors always, prime factorization always. Directly we can write down the common factors. Next is 2x 3x square comma 4. Now here we can see that the factors of 2x is 2 multiply x, 3x square is 3 multiply x, and the factors of 4 is 2 multiply 2. Now there is no common factor. Whenever there is such type of terms in which no common factor is there, the common factor is 1. So common factor of 2x, 3x square and 4 is 1. Next is 6abc 24ab square 12a square b. Now we can write 6abc as 2 multiply 3 multiply a multiply b multiply c. Similarly 24ab square can be written as 2 multiply 3 a into a b into b. As it is ab square, so 1 time a, 2 times b, and 12a square b can be written as 2 into 2 into 3, 2 times a and b. Now the common factor will be is equal to 1 2 is common, 2. Next is 3 common, so 3, and the next one is 1a common, a, and 1 b is the common factor. So we can say that 6a b is the common factor of the given terms. Also we know that 6 4 is the 24, 6 2 is the 12. So directly we can move to this step as this is 6 and among a, b, c, a, b square, b, the common factor will be ab. So the answer is 6ab. Next is 16x cube minus 4x square, 32x. Now the factors of 16x cube is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s the 4 2s the 8 to the 16. 3 times x. Then minus 4x square is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x multiplied by x. 32x can be written as 5 times 2 multiplied by x. Now see the common factor. Common factor is equal to, this is 2, 2, so 2 multiplied by 2, then 1x. This is 4x is the common factor. Next part is 10pq, 20qr, 30rp. Now I am not going to write down the prime factors of all these terms. I will directly write down the common factor. Common factor will be equal to, firstly we will see for the number. The numbers are 10, 20 and 30. We know that 10 1 is the 10, 10 2 is the 20, 10 3 is the 30. So 10 can be the common factor. Now see the variables. Here in the first term the variables are p and q, and the second term q and r, and in the third term it is rp. If we are looking into the all terms, p is not in the second term, so it cannot be the common factor. Similarly, q is not in the third term, so it cannot be the common factor. Similarly, r is not in the first term, so no variable is common among all these terms. The common factor is only the number, that is 10. Next part is 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square, 6x square y square z. Now the common factor of given terms is, now see 3, 10 and 6. There is no common factor of 3, 10 and 6, as 10 is not the multiple of 3. So we cannot take any term, any number from these numbers to be the common factor. Now see the variables. Here we are having the variables x, y and z. In the first term the power of x is x square, x cube, x square. The variable with the lower power will be the common factor. So here the x square is the common factor. Similarly, y square is the common factor. But if the first two terms are not containing z, so z cannot be the common factor. So the common factor of these terms is x square, y square. In this way, we can write down the common factor directly as well. Question number 2. Factorize the following expressions. As we have done the topic of common factors, now we can do the factorization of given binomials, trinomials and polynomials as well. This is the kind of product of monomial into binomial. Now firstly we will take the common factor of 7x and 42. We know that the common factor of 7x and 42 will be 7. So 7 is common. Now this is 7x. So here as we take this 7 as the common term, so the remaining part is x minus 42. 7 6 the 42. So the answer is 7 into x minus 6, which is the required answer. Second part is 6p minus 12q. Now the common number can be 6. 6 2 is the 12. Now here with 6 the variable is p and with 12 the variable is q. So no variable can be the common factor. So it is 6 into p minus 6 2 is the 12. So here it is 2q. 6 into p minus 2q is the required answer. Next part is 7a square plus 14a. Now here you can see 7 2 is the 14. So the number is 7. Now see for the variables, here it is a square and here it is a. So with the lower power it is a. So 7a is the common factor. Here it was 7a square. I have taken 7a as the common factor, so it will be a plus 7 2's the 14, so it is 2. A already has taken out as a common factor, so it is 7a into a plus 2 is the required answer. Next is minus 16z plus 20z cube. Now we know that 16 is the multiple of 4, 20 is also multiple of 4. So the number 4 is the common factor. Similarly, here the variables are z and z cube. The variable with the minimum power is z. So z raised to power 1, that is z. 4z is the common factor. Now see, 4 the 16. This is negative, so it is minus 4. Z has been taken out as a common factor. Plus 4 5's the 20. So here it is 5. This was z cube, out of which we have taken z as a common factor. So it is z square. 4z into minus 4 plus 5z square is the answer. Next is 20l square m plus 30a lm. Now, among 20 and 30, the common factor is 10. L square m. A lm. So lm will be the common factor. 10 lm is the common factor. Now 10 2's the 20. So here it is 2. L square. L has been taken out common. So it is L. M is common factor. Plus 10 3's the 30. So here it is 3. Lm has been taken as a common factor. So it is 3a. 10 lm into 2l plus 3a is the common factor. Is the required answer. Next is 5x square y minus 15x y square. Now 5 3 is the 15, so the common number is 5. X square y and xy square. The variables with the minimum powers will be the common factors, so it is xy. 5x square y, the common is 5xy. So here it is x minus 5 3 is the 15. X has been taken out as a common factor and 1y has been taken out as a common factor. So it is 3y. 5xy into x minus 3y is the answer. Next is 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. Now we know that 10, 15 and 20 all are the multiples of 5. So 5 is the common factor. So it is 5. This is a square, b square, c square. No variable is common. So we can write it as 5 2 is the 10. 2a square. 5 3 is the 15. 3b square. 5 4 is the 24. C square. 5 into 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square is the answer. Next part is minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. Now in all the terms there is 4 and all the terms contained a. So 4a is the common factor. Here this is minus. Minus 4a has been taken as a common factor. 1a will be there, minus a plus b minus c. So 4a into minus a plus b minus c is the answer. Next part is x square y z plus xy square z plus xyz square. Now as all the terms containing x, y, z, so x, y, z will be the common factor. Here it was x square 1, x has been taken as a common factor, so x, y, z has been taken as a common factor. Now plus x, y square z. 1x, 1y and 1z has been taken as a common factor, so 1y will be the remaining part. Similarly from this x, y, z has been taken as a common factor, so z will be the remaining part. X, y, z into x plus y plus z will be the required answer. Next part is a x square y plus b x y square plus c x y z. Now the common factor of this will be x, y as all the terms containing x, y. Here the remaining part is a x plus b y plus c z. xy into ax plus by plus cz is the answer. Next is question number 3. Factorize This is the kind of binomial into binomial. Here you can see from this question, among this polynomial there is no common factor. So we will make the groups and do the factorization. Question number 3 contain all the type of question in the same way. That is, firstly we will make the groups and after that we will do the factorization. So first two terms is the first group and second two terms is the second group. Now among the first two terms we can take x as a common factor. So in the brackets there will be x plus y. Similarly from the second group we can take 8 as a common factor. So it is here 8 into x plus y. Now we can see from these two terms x plus y is the common factor. So here x plus y has been taken as a common factor. In the second bracket this is x. Similarly from this term x plus y has been taken as a common factor, so plus 8. So the required answer is x plus y into x plus 8, which is the required answer. Next part is 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. In this question again we will firstly take the two groups, first two terms as a one group and the last two terms as a second group. Now out of 15xy and 6x, 3x will be the common factor. 3 5s the 15, 5y minus 3 2s the 6, so 5y minus 2. Here it is 5 by minus 2. No common factors there. So we will simply write as 1 is the common factor into 5 by minus 2. Now again from these two terms 5 by minus 2 is the common factor and here it is 3x plus 1. So the required answer is 5 by minus 2 into 3x plus 1. Third part is ax plus bx minus ay minus by. Now first two terms and the last two terms. From the first two terms x can be the common factor, so it is x into a plus b. Now from the last two terms minus y can be the common factor, so it is a plus b again. When you will open these brackets, this will be converted into the given question. Now from these two terms, a plus b is the common factor. So the remaining next term is x minus y. A plus b into x minus y is the required answer. Next part is 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. It is not necessary always the given terms are arranged in such a way that the first two terms and the last two terms will make the factorization. Sometimes we are to rearrange the given terms in such a manner that after taking out the common factor, these two terms contain the same terms. So in this question, firstly we are to make the rearrangement of the terms. That is, I'll just rearrange the terms as 15pq plus 25p plus 9q plus 15. Now we can take the terms, first two terms and the last two terms. Now when we will take out the common factor, they will give the same one common factor that we have done in the previous questions. Now among 15 and 25, 5 is the common factor. Also the variable is p. 5p is the common factor. 3 is the 15, so 3q plus 5 is the 25, so 3q plus 5. Now from 9q and 15, 3 is the common factor. 3 is the 9, 3q plus 3 is the 15, 3q plus 5. Now you can see that these two terms contain the same term 3q plus 5. So it can be the common factor 3q plus 5 into 5p plus 3 is the required answer. Next part is z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. Again in this part we are to rearrange the terms firstly. After that we will do the factorization. I'll just arrange these terms as z minus xyz minus 7 plus 7xy. Now we will make the groups z minus xyz and 7 and 7xy. Now from these two terms z is the common factor, so it is 1 minus xy Similarly, from the second one, minus 7 is the common factor, and here it is 1, 7 ones the 7, minus xy. Now 1 minus xy is the common factor into z minus 7. 1 minus xy into z minus 7 is the required answer. So students, this is all about exercise 14.1. Thank you.